It's rain, man, and I keep the two on me so nobody's robbing me. And these bitches go crazy for loony, I swear that these bitches be jocking me. Run up on me like you goofy, I bet your life I'll let the llama squeeze. And I'm changing my name from Rain to G, cause I stack a lot of G's. Couple G's for my wrist, another 2 G's up from killing a snitch. Shorty, you gay cause your nigga a bitch. You my bags like cars, then I'm dealing this shit. No cavities, I ain't feeling your shit. Just caught a op, hitting some stains, getting some licks, finished and dip. All white diamonds like Miracle Whip. If you live from this K, it's a miracle damn. Smoking this herb on some spiritual shit. Flow so cold, I'm literally sick. Step your balls up cause I'm lyrically rich. Damn, I did it again, I'm killing this shit. In this rap game, I'm winning this shit. Give me a beat and I finish it quick. I'm so damn hot, I'm touching the blimp. Chubbs, that's my plug and he got that dope, so none of his bags are skimp. All of you fags are wimps, so when the gun blasts, all of you fags is missed. You mad I bagged your bitch, she fucked the whole crew, now she an average bitch. I smoke the green, I sip the lean, shoes on my jeans, stripes on my sneakers, Versace all on my sleeve. You niggas some wannabes, I'm gonna be whatever you wanna be, or trying to be. Yo bitch behind me, she want the D, I'm busy flaunting G's. I'm up in VIP with LBE and B.O.B. I'm screaming shouts out to my nigga KC, I'm through.
Versace, Versace, my niggas, they killers, they catching them bodies. We go to the club, once we get in this bitch, we gon' shut down the party. We leaving with bitches, we get to the crib, we gon' have a menage. Now I gotta go like R. Kelly, y'all cannot get trapped in the closet. My niggas, they with it, don't play with no goofy, see money, go get it. I'll knock a nigga head off if he tryna play with my digits. And I don't fuck with goofy hoes, we don't show no love to these bitches. Speaking of bitches, these niggas be bitchin', be acting like bitches. And my niggas smoking all out, that Reggie shit is not an option. Since you thinking you a big man, you gon' catch a shot trying to block it. That money you making ain't shit compared to what I got in my pocket. And these bullets coming on point, I'm looking like Vic in the pocket. Bitch, I'm from them Murray homes, call it AG with a cap lock. If you don't wanna play, then I guess you can be the mascot. No water boy, we all hot. Got thirsty bitches, they all thoughts. Be watching me like TV, like the final zone with the last shot. Versace, Versace, I'm rocking designer, it's all on my body. Getting money, my hobby, yo bitch is a thotty, yeah she wanna tie me. Poppin' niggas like Molly's, all these niggas sorry, my swag they gon' copy. I let them keep hating cause they cannot stop me, y'all beat them like Rocky. My flow is cold, like 80 below, that's why I'm so cocky. Bitch, I am the best, put me to the test, I'll leave holes in your chest. All of these niggas be claiming they savage, let's give it a rest. These hoes stay bustin', they fuck anybody, so how could I trust them? I hate being sober, I call your bitch over, did she do the team? Can you smell what I'm smoking? Yeah, that shit is potent, I'm talking that green. LBE be the team, yeah, we sip that lean, I swag it so mean. Yo bitch was your bitch till we pulled on the scene, looking fresh and so clean. Versace, Versace, these bitches be jocking, they all on my dick. Smoking pounds of that loud, bitch, I run my town in Chicago, my city. My niggas be gunning, yeah, we never running, so nigga take cover. I'm so high that I hover, all these niggas suckers, they bitch wanna fuck us. LBE, B.O.B, we be killing this shit and nobody could touch us, Chubbs.